Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to create progress bar based on checkboxes you are checking inside your Excel project. In order to do that, I have created a table with a project. I have inserted 5 projects and I have created 4 steps individually. And I'm gonna insert here in every project a checkbox. And based, I'm checking this, the G4 and the other individual cells will appear with the completion progress with the percentage. In order to do that, we have to insert first our checkboxes. How to do that? We are coming to developer mode here. If you don't have appeared your developer mode, how to activate this? You are coming to any section on the upper menu and you're clicking right, and after that you are selecting customize ribbon, and after that the customize ribbon we have to select the developer mode, which will appear here. Developer is checked because mine is enabled. If this is not checked, it's like this, you have to check it, and after that you are clicking OK and you are good to go. Clicking developer, and after from the controls we're selecting insert and selecting this checkbox. We're coming to cell C4, clicking inside here to insert it. Okay, we have inserted. Let's also delete this text. We're okay. How to copy and paste this control to other cells very quickly. We are coming with the up arrow to the cell that we have created the control, and after that we are pressing and hold the shift key, and we are pressing continuously the right arrow until we reach the step 4, and after that we are pressing and hold the control key and we are pressing R, and voila, we have copied this fast. And as you can see, we have the ability to check and uncheck separately as the way that we want. How to copy and paste these controls to below cells very quickly. We're coming once again to the cell that we have created firstly, and once again we are pressing and hold shift key. After that, right arrow key, we're selecting all, and after that we're pressing and hold shift key, and this time we are pressing all the time the down key, arrow key, until we reach the last cell of the table. And after that we are pressing and hold control key and we are pressing D. As you can see, we have copy and paste the controls very quickly. Now, after that, we have to assign a control to each checkbox separately. How to do this? We're coming to this cell, we're clicking right and format control, and from the cell link, we have to type manually to each control the cell which is related in. C4 for this cell, pressing enter. Let's check if it's working. As you can see, we have checked it and it says true, false, false. We're gonna also fix this. Now I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna assign the control to each checkbox separately. All right, everybody, I have assigned the controls to every individual checkbox. As you can see, when I check, it says true, uncheck, it says false, etc. As you can see, it is changing the state based if it's checked or not. I'm gonna uncheck everything and I want to delete this true and false text, annoying text. How to do that? Selecting every cell with arrows, and simply we're coming to font area and we're gonna say white. Uncheck this once again and we're done with checkboxes. Now, how to create the progress bar effect based on the steps that we have completed. We're coming to G4 cell, which presents the work progress. And from here, we're gonna use the formula count if. We say equal, we're typing count if, opening parentheses, and count if formula wants from us a cell range. I'm gonna use C4 column F4, and after that, wants the second criteria, which is gonna be true. Okay, pressing enter. What's happening? Let's check once again. As you can see, we have the steps complete and it says 4, but we don't want to appear the number like this. We want to appear it like percentage. How to do that? We're coming above the count if formula that we have right. We're coming to the right section and we say divide columns, opening parentheses, and want array from us from C4 to F4, closing parentheses, and let's check. As you can see, we have done a very good progress. It says 100. Let's also make this percentage. Coming to this area, as you can see, we have the number from the home number area, and we have done it as percentage. Let's also create this to below cells, copy this to below cells, and I have copied this formula to below cells. As you can see, everything is in order. Let's check if it's working. As you can see, it's coming to 50%, 25%. And finally, let's add some progress bar effect to the last column of this table, which represents the work we have completed with some graphic. In order to do that, we are selecting every single cell inside this table, and from the home section we're coming to styles and we are selecting condition formatting, and from here we're selecting new rules, and from this first option we're coming down, edit rules description. From the format style we're selecting data bar, and from here the type for the minimum will be number, and for the maximum also will be number. The minimum value will be 0, which represents the 0%, and the maximum value will be 1, which represents the 100%. Clicking OK, and let's try if it's working. As you can see, as soon as complete the steps, the progress bar goes to 100%. Let's also check for these boxes like this, and the test is completely working fine. So this video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.